God is calling you so that you can begin to set the right templates. That's why he said in Romans chapter 12 verse 2, it says, do not copy the customs and traditions of this world. Anything that pulls you away from what God is asking you to do is a noise. Focus, on the other side, is a push in direction. You can seek these opinions, but when God is outrightly speaking to you and saying, this is the way to go, walk therein, then you walk therein. That's why you have to be careful the people that speak into your life. Because there are some people, they kill the calling in your life. They sink the boat of what God is asking you to do. I've seen people go through wrong detour just because they don't want to sound disrespectful. Because you don't want to sound disrespectful. Somebody is saying, marry this person. And you know it's a no-go area. But because you honor them, because you respect them, you go ahead on the journey that you should not embark on. Sometimes the advice and opinion of the people that you love, that you respect, can constitute noise to the calling of God upon your life. If God has called you to serve in a place, stay there and serve. Don't let people use their mouth to push you out of the place and say, hey, you too, you can become a chief executive. When it's time for you to go start, the Lord will tell you. Don't let anybody use their mouth to push you out of destiny. All in the name of they have good advice or suggestions for you. Don't quit a job because your colleagues are leaving. Some of them left because they were sympathizing with someone that left. Your destiny, because of empathy, you are joking with it. Don't exit a country because others are leaving. That touched you. Galatians chapter 1 verse 10, for am I now seeking the approval of men or of God? Or am I now trying to please men? If I were still trying to please men, I would not be a servant of Christ. You cannot be a follower of God if you are still trying to please men. Proverbs 29 verse 25, the fear of men lay a snare ahead. Fearing people is what? It's a dangerous trap. This is not the year to because you respect men, you now abort what God is saying. This is the year to follow and trust God's calling upon your life. If God is saying leave, leave. If God is saying stay, stay. There is always a word for a season for you. There's always something that God is talking to you about for this season. Hallelujah to Jesus.